The stars have aligned and the end of the world is near. The blossoming tree is blossoming, and the shaded forest is shaded while the green grass is green. The bouncing balls are bouncing, and the hummingbird is humming while the running boy is running. And the fire that eats the balloons is eating the balloons. Or something. Who does this? Anyway. But it is for but one that we wait for. It's Apocalypse Cat, but it seems he is content, therefore we are not going to have an end of the world. Good for us, I guess. Maybe next week.